Alright, so we're out here. We got the 1717 Typhon. We're on the 6S. We're going to run this monster of a Nova. He's running high fives. Look at that. He's blowing a ton of nitrous. He's pulling the front tires. Do I have enough to beat him? Well, we're going to find out here, hopefully. 1717 big block. Cat packs. Mamba Monster X 8S. We're only on 25 out of 34 volts. 34 gearing.
Burnout video.
Guys, so good news and bad news. We did beat the 1,000 horsepower Nova with a 5.3 at 98. The bad news, however, upon slowing down, had a little run-in with the wall and broken A-arm, and I think that's it. So real easy fix, not worried about that. Definitely worth the video. Oh, broke one screw on the light loose, no big deal. Yeah, so that's an easy fix, but man, what a race.